Hello friends, welcome. Today I am going to show you a marketing strategy very frequent these days on the internet, which offers the viewer of the web page some discount, huge discount. They will first congratulate you with this pop-up message. This message is blocking and will not allow you to navigate to other tabs or somewhere else. Either you will have to click on cancel or you will have to click on OK. So I click on cancel. This message is congratulating me and I am the lucky winner. So I will cancel it. I don't want to go for this, so I will cancel it. No problem. Even then, okay, I clicked on the cancel button. Even then, I am presented with this gift page, and here is a time. It is a time left to expire this deal. So this means this is only to attract the customer that after 11 minutes and few seconds this deal will expire for me and I will not be able to get this gift. So I will be getting a smartphone or any expensive gadget which is not visible right now but is hidden in these boxes. Let us first I will talk about this expiring time. This time appears to be expiring, but the fact is that it never expires. The clock will stop at 1 second. When the 1 second is left, the clock will stop. You can see it from here. Here it is. On the other page, I have just running this clock. Only 55 seconds are left. So we'll come back here. 10 minutes begin. I clicked on cancel button and even then they presented me with this page. Okay, if I will reload this page, I will reload this page. I will go to the OK button this time. Same page appear once again and here is the time to expire. The clock restarted. Let's go and check the other page. 17 seconds, 16 seconds, 15 seconds. Okay, I can click on any gift. 1, 2, 3. I will click on this gift. So I will be getting the Apple iPhone. Let's go and check the timer. 2, 1. Now the clock has stuck. It will never become 0. So whenever I will go and check this page, time left to expire will be 1 second. And I will always be the lucky person. Now let's see further. Okay, I got this page. Contest Apple iPhone 5, pay and get to win. So they are offering me this Apple iPhone only on rupees 699, 44,701 rupees off. I will go back once again. Same page will appear. Same pop-up box will appear. I may cancel one again. Same thing will appear. The clock has restarted once again. Any number of time I can visit this page and the clock will restart like the same thing. I will always be a lucky winner. So it clearly proves that it is only a trap, not a genuine thing. Okay, this time I will choose this third option. Congratulations, you have made it, and this is what you have in the gift box. Samsung Galaxy S5. This page is presented before me. This is the buying price and I am getting this Samsung Galaxy S5 only for rupees 699. Okay, let's see the clock. The clock has stuck to 1 second. It is not going anywhere. Even now, if I will click on this page, it will congratulate me once again. So it is clearly proved that there is no meaning of this time. And it will also take me to the same page. Now I am getting Samsung Galaxy Grand at rupees 699. Okay, go back to this thing. See, I am getting Galaxy S5 at 699, 51,300 rupees off. Okay, buy now. I will ask to click on the buy now button if I am in hurry. and I am thinking that the time will lapse and I will miss this deal, I will go in hurry and click on buy now button and fill in my details. But here is the catch. They are not giving this phone on for rupees 699. Actually, the ShopHunk website is forcing the viewer to enter a contest. It is a contest, Samsung Galaxy S5, pay and get a chance to win. If you are not paying attention to this line, you may lose. So it is like just rupees 699 is just like an entry fees to the contest. Great offer, pay just rupees 699 for a chance to win Samsung Galaxy S5. So they are not selling you Galaxy S5 for rupees 699, but actually they are charging you a entry fees for a contest. Here are the terms and conditions you can see. ShopHunk will conduct a lucky draw every month. 15 lucky winners will be selected every month. They may get the phone at this price or may not get at the price. They may have to pay something more, but the persons who will not be lucky winners will definitely lose because their money 699 rupees will not be refunded back in cash. It will refunded back as credit points. One credit point will equals to rupees 1, and the catch is that these credit points can be used only at shophunk.com. If you want to utilize your money 700 rupees, you will have to purchase any product from ShopHunk, and it is their wish. They can sell that product at any cost. It may be even higher than the market price. But if you want to utilize your money, you will have to buy it from that shophunk.com. You cannot do anything, you cannot bargain, you cannot claim your cash back. So, if you fall for this trap, you will definitely lose something. Here you can see all the three items are presented here: Apple iPhone 5, Samsung Galaxy Grand, and Galaxy S5. All are offered on rupees 699, and only buy now button is given. So you will never able to know that it is a contest. You will see that, you will think that they are providing this as a special gift to you on the very reduced price. Testimonials are also displayed here to make this genuine. Payment methods are also available. But if you want proper knowledge, you should always visit these terms and conditions. Here are the contest terms and conditions. You can go for these terms and conditions. So now what will happen? If a customer is in a hurry and if he thinks that the time is passing by and he has left only with 11 minutes, few seconds to grab this deal, he will go and fill in his details. The next page and will press the submit next page. He will be directed to that payment page. He will make the payment, and by this thing he will be blocking his money. He will be blocking his money with ShopHunk. So it is a cheating. ShopHunk is cheating by this thing. So you all need to be aware of this thing. Keep your eyes open. Pay attention to the conditions when you find such cheap deals. Don't forget to see the conditions and the terms which the website is selling these products. Thank you and play safe.